Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers on a Toyota Sequoia. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Now, with the wiper arm extended, locate the small tab or button on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook of the wiper arm. It might require a little wiggle. Once removed, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the towel you placed on the windshield to prevent any accidental damage. With the old blade off, take your new wiper blade. Align the new blade's connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the J-hook until you hear a click, indicating it's securely fastened. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked in place. Repeat this process for the other wiper blade. Finally, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. This simple maintenance helps maintain clear visibility. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.